Hey, what's up guys, it's Urgent aka LSQ here, and today I'll be reviewing Armaggeddon 2018 edition Pulsating Ultimate Gaming Headset. Okay, let's unbox this. Alright, there you go guys, Armaggeddon Pulsating 2018 edition. So let's go to body review. Okay, so for Pulsating, the head cup is made in plastic, and the headband is also made in plastic, but it's stretchable, so you don't have to worry about that. It's totally stretchable. You can stretch it like this or like this, but don't too hard, you will break it. Okay, the Armaggeddon logo. So the microphone is over here. Take out. Okay, so in the middle of the wire you will see this. I call it controller because you can control the volume up and down from here, and also you need to turn on this. So the wire, as you can see, there's two layers. One layer outside is plastic, so the plastic can protect the wire very well, and also you can stretch it, so you don't have to worry about stretching your wire will affect your the performance of your microphone or headset. No, you don't have to worry about that because it's very well protected. So there's a 3 wire for the Armaggeddon Pulsating. One is for lighting effects, then another 2 is for microphone and your headphone. So it comes with a protection, so you can take it out. Alright, so I plug it into my laptop, so you will see a lighting effects over here. So on both sides, of course. Okay, so right now I'm going to test on the microphone to see whether the microphone can handle a high frequency. Will it be peak or will it be not? So right now I'm going to test on 4 of my voice tone from low key to high key. Okay, hey, 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 hey. So there's 4 of my key tones. So will it be peak? Let's check it out. Alright, so that's a review for Armaggeddon Pulsating. Special thanks to Armaggeddon Malaysia for sponsoring me this amazing gaming headset. So it's Urgent aka LSQ here, and peace out. I'll see you guys next video.